Join me as I'm about to cook my okra soup with ogbono. I'm gonna put some ogbono. Yes. See, mix ogbono in my oil. So I'm gonna add some water to it. Yes. So time to add some stock from the meat. So added some stock from the meat. So say Adam turning my ogbono. So this is my baby, like it's kind of to make it have taste. The baby all the way from home. Yes. So I'm still cooking my ogbono with my stock from the meat. You see that? So I'm gonna add my fried fish. The okra is gonna be last. I changed my mind. I'm making okra because my kids, they love okra soup. So I now added them. So it's cooking. So let the ogbono cook, y'all. So as the ogbono is cooking with dried fish, pepper, I already added seasoning to it. So now to add crayfish. Now to add another crayfish. Crayfish, yes. Ogbono and okra need crayfish. See that? So cooking. So as my soup is cooking, so now I have my mix meat. Mix. Wow. So I just added mixed meat to this ogbono soup. If you're around, bring your plate, come and chop with me. Yes. So now see the ogbono. It's done. It's old okra from the freezer. I cut this one, so that's what I'm gonna do. See that? See? So right now, I'm gonna add another more okra, guys. Okra with ogbono soup now today. Oh. Yum. So once, see? Done. What do you think? See, soup is ready. The final. See? Okra soup is done. Done.